Hello everyone, today we do animal print nails. Apply the polish on the piece of paper and dip to thicken. Start making the lines on your nails. You can make thin lines or thicker ones, just make whatever you think looks best. Now use the toothpick to create the tighter stripes. Use dotting tool or toothpick to create a few spots over the nails. Once this is dry, take a toothpick or top of bobby pin to create black outlines around the brand spots like brackets and other like the letter C. Take a toothpick to create the spots. Keep the spots close together, some a little larger than the others. It's a quick and easy way to create a fun figurative manicure. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more easy nail art tutorials.